If fraudulent was a person. Well, if you want to know more of what I'm speaking of, tune in right now. Hit it. Okay, you guys, this truly is going to be a spoiler alert. Look, we've been watching the Real Housewives of Potomac, the reunion, and now they're on the part 2 of the reunion. Soon to be, has to be a part 3. I just know it. But it seems like it's going to be left with a cliffhanger, only because it seems like someone has been frauding the group. What do I mean when I say that? I'm referring to Stacey. It appears that Wendy's husband, Eddie, Happy Eddie, what's up, Eddie? Well, look, it appears that he decides to call TJ just to figure out why he's not attending the reunion. And the news that he receives, he was not prepared for it, let me tell you. So it appears that the reason why TJ did not appear on the reunion was because soon after they were done taping the finale, Stacey stopped paying him. What? I was just as surprised as you guys were. Not really that much, because we all know this has happened before when they do rent a boyfriend, rent a side piece, you know, whatever it takes for them to maintain their relevance on the show, right? And to truly show that they are housewives material. So it's not really surprising, but the way that Stacey carries herself, you would have never thought that she would be, you know, upholding this huge lie, you know, amongst the group. So this really does give Giselle a lot of ammo to go after her for the upcoming season. I mean, even though, you know, it's, I just can't wait to see how everything unfolds, how it plays out, because clearly she's going to be humiliated, because everything is, it looks like everything is going to be shown. The fact that she did pay TJ to be her quote unquote boyfriend. But let me tell you, this is one of the reasons why she always said best friend. Now it all makes sense. Lord, let me tell you. Boy, they be frauding, let me tell you. But we're just going to have to tune in to see exactly how this all unfolds on the upcoming reunion. I can't wait to stay tuned, and I'm pretty sure you guys feel the same. Until next time, for more information like this plus more, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And a new episode is coming your way this week.